rebranding request by the client, we've designed a personalized scrapbook feature which will emphasize the community that the client has developed around her brand. Tough Titties is an online fashion, apparel, and stationery small business by Emma Hands. It centers around empowering women and supporting those affected by breast cancer through her bold, whimsical product design. During the client interview, Emma discussed wanting to distinguish her Tough Titties products from her personal Emma Hands brand. She was especially passionate about getting to know her customers rather than pushing sales. She also emphasized how her business is set apart from others because of this empowering, people-focused, supportive community aspect. However, many individuals didn't receive that impression from Emma's current website. We conducted a qualitative survey for 19 people. 74% of respondents assumed the target audience was young women or feminists, with many citing product images as the reason behind that assumption. Only 10% noted the underlying goal of supporting women affected by breast cancer, and 10% more did not feel like the community around Tough Titties was even evident. Most people did not recognize the existence of a Tough Titties community, which is the core aspect that Emma said makes her business stand out. And ultimately, we needed to consider driving sales as well. Recalling how Emma loves hearing stories from her customers, we aim to use storytelling as a way to share that community and thereby promote Tough Titties and its products. This led to the question, how might we increase the growth and popularity of the Tough Titties brand through the use of storytelling to promote its products and cultivate a diverse community of customers? Regarding art direction, we explored precedents for colors. We found that Emma's bright pink was most successful when minimizing the use of other colors, which led us to off-white and off-black. As for typeface, we selected GT Walsheim for its quirky, wholesome nature, signified by the larger dot on the I and the elongated bar on the G. In addition to a full website redesign, we developed a customizable digital scrapbook to be an expressive, visually engaging way to share feelings and stories about Tough Titties products. The entry point is a QR code found on the thank you notes that Emma sends with her products. This code brings the customers to a page on her site where they can begin creating their own scrapbook entry. Once on the Tough Titties site, the user creates a new entry based on the products they've just scanned, or browse some of their existing entries if they're a returning customer. The user can rate the product and customize their entry. They can choose between the layout of elements, add a picture and text, choose a paper type, an image border, and decorate the page with Tough Titties stickers. After submitting their entry, the scrapbook page will be visible on the Tough Titties community page. This gallery showcases all public scrapbooks made by Tough Titties customers. By gathering all the positivity in one page, the gallery highlights the community and personal expression aspects of Tough Titties, which will inspire and empower customers as they see each other's stories. For the rest of the site, Emma's pink is used for interactive elements such as buttons. This hero image is composed from her stickers, and the slogan was taken from Emma's description of Tough Titties on her Instagram account. The product page replaces the interview section with the scrapbook entries of users who have purchased that product. This also links back to the community page. 3 individuals participated in usability testing for the prototype, evaluating everything from the QR code to the scrapbook making process and ending at the community page. All 3 agreed that making a scrapbook was intuitive, easy, and fun. They also noted that the community page effectively showcased the customer stories and interactions, and that the drag and drop stickers allowed for creative freedom and expression. Lastly, our proposal provides value in 3 areas. Firstly, the website redesign for Tough Titties is visually distinct from the Emma Hands brand, which meets Emma's requests. Secondly, the community stories generated by users lets Emma visually represent and highlight her existing Tough Titties community. Finally, the scrapbook encourages Tough Titties customers to connect with Emma via her website, rather than limiting interactions to just social media.